Good day. My name is Maria Leni Sales, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology from the University of Manila. And I'm currently based here in Manila. I have 2 years of experience working in a restaurant as an all-around crew member. In this role, I handle various responsibilities on a shifting schedule, including receiving and accurately entering customer order, coordinating with the kitchen for timely preparation, and addressing customer concerns. I consistently deliver excellent customer service by responding to inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Although this is my first time applying for a position on a cruise ship, I am confident in my ability to perform the required duties with dedication and professionalism. I am a fast learner, hardworking, and highly adaptable to new environments. I'm also willing to undergo any necessary training to enhance my skill and qualification for the role. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to be part of your team and contribute to providing exceptional service on board. Thank you.